Hello everybody, this is Ali Inan and I'm back here with yet another video for English grammar. Today I'll be discussing present continuous tense. Present continuous tense shows a situation in which we are in the middle of an action. For example, I am teaching or I am recording a video. The sentence tells that we are in the middle of an action. The form of present continuous tense is a characteristic present tense of be plus ing or present participle form. When I say present tense of be, I mean is, are and am, plus present participle, that is the ing form of the verb. As in the previous examples, I am watching a video, am is the present tense form of be and watching is the ing form. Or I am recording a video. Recording is the ing form preceded by the present tense form of be. There can be several other examples. I am teaching. You are watching a video as we are in the middle of an action, or he is listening as someone else might be listening as well. There can be contractions or inflection form. Inflection means when we remove a letter and instead of that use an apostrophe comma. I am watching a video or I am teaching can be changed into inflection I am teaching, and you are watching a video. It can be changed with an inflection by removing the A and introducing the apostrophe comma. You are watching a video. He is listening can be changed into an inflection. He is listening by removing the I and introducing an inflection comma or apostrophe comma in place of the letter I. The negative form would include not with the present tense form of be, as there can be a sentence, I am not teaching. So we will introduce not between the present tense form of be and the present participle form or the ing form of the verb. You are not watching a video. We introduce not between the present tense form of be, that is are here, and after that, after we use not, and after not we will use the ing form or the present participle form of the verb. Or he is not listening. Or he is not listening, as inflection can also be introduced. So not is again used after the present tense form of be, and after writing not or using not, we will use the present participle form or the ing form of the verb. As far as questions are concerned, in the present continuous tense, in questions, we'll use the present tense form of be in the beginning. For example, am I watching a video? Or you are watching a video would change into are you watching a video? I am teaching will change into a question. Am I teaching? So we use the present tense form of be, then we use the subject. After that, we use the ing form or the present participle form of the verb. I repeat, as in the example, is he listening? So we use the present tense form of be, then we use the subject, and after that we introduce the present participle form of the verb. The usage of present continuous tense, however, it is simple that we are in the middle of an action, but there are several categories. For example, we use the present continuous tense to say that we are in action at that moment. For instance, I am waiting for the bus. It means that I am standing at a bus station or I am at a bus station waiting for the bus at the moment of speaking or talking to someone or writing the sentence. However, there can be another use when we use present continuous tense to refer to any occurrence which is continuing with intervals, or it is a continual occurrence, but it is not happening at the moment of speaking or writing that sentence. For example, I must go back to the office because we are working on a project. We are working on a project. It is in continuous tense, but we are working on a project. In this sentence, I must get back to the office we are working on a project means that this is something which is happening in the present time, but it is not happening at the moment of speaking that sentence. Another occurrence can be when there is a gradual development of any happening or occurrence. For example, the earth is gradually getting warmer, or the earth is slowly getting warmer. So it is a continuous process, step by step moving, but this does not mean that it is restricted to the moment of speaking or writing that sentence. There can be another occurrence. For example, when we are trying to say something in which we are planning for the future. For example, are you planning to go to the cricket match tomorrow? Now, the plan is in present time, but there is futurity in meaning. Future time situations in present tense will be discussed in a separate video as well, which I'll be uploading soon. That there can be certain sentences which would be in present time as far as the tense is concerned, but there would be a future arrangement to which they would be referring. For example, I am planning to buy tickets today. It means, yeah, or they can say that I am going to buy tickets today. It means that it is something which is planned in the present time, but this will happen or this is arranged for a future time situation. There are spelling tips as well for present time, present continuous tense, ing form verbs, which I'll be discussing in a separate video. So stay tuned for further videos in which I'll be discussing future time situations in present continuous and present tense, and spelling tips for the present participle form of verb, that how can we use ing form of the verb. For now, bye bye. See you soon.